Welcome to MSL Broadcast, unboxing video number 3. Please watch my first 1 and 2 videos of the blood pressure monitor and also of another item. So today we're going to be unboxing a pressure cooker. You might find my pressure cookers out there. These are very trendy and popular. There's a lot out there which convinced me to buy one. But you can see there's a lot of different buttons. So it is a pressure cooker. It does a lot of other things too. It makes yogurt, sautés, different things like that. But I'm a very simple person, and this is all too much. It takes up a lot of counter space. On this one there's a little steam catcher. There's lots of gizmos and gadgets, and I just haven't been using it. So I bought a more simpler pressure cooker, which I'm going to be unboxing today. And we're going to see what it looks like and if I'm glad I bought it or not. Now, for the box, you can see it was purchased from Walmart.com. First, before going to Walmart.com, I did go in quite a few stores, including Walmart and Target, just to see if they had a pressure cooker for sale. They did not, or they had an aluminum one, which I did not want the aluminum one. I wanted the stainless steel, and because they're not that popular or available, I had to special order it and pick it up. When I went to the Walmart store nearby to pick it up, at first I went to the customer service area. They directed me to a different area, and I just punched in a 4-digit code. Some very helpful Walmart worker got it for me, walked out the store. It was super simple. First time using it, would definitely use that again. Okay, so you can see that I picked it up from Walmart.com. It actually came off of GandhiAppliances.com. I've never been to that site, but I might one day. Who knows? They might have other things I might want. Okay, so now we're going to do the unboxing. And unboxing and making unboxing videos are fun because you're an adult, yet it feels a little bit like Christmas because it's just fun to open up a new treat for yourself. So here's my treat to myself, my new pressure cooker, which is in another box. Dun, 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 dun. So you're going to see 2 unboxings, the unboxing of the box. Okay, this could be a little bit dangerous because I don't know how big this is. Okay, it's a pretty big box. Okay, so this one we can see all the different features: the control gasket release system, unique alpha base. I don't know what that means, but it's a stainless steel pressure cooker, which was the key feature of this, and it does hold 4 liters, which is also very nice. And we can see, I don't know why all these different pictures are on here. They have other products, I suppose, a mixer grinder, a hob top, which I don't know what that is, but it doesn't really matter. For some reason this says January 2018. Oh, that was the year it was manufactured. So not too long ago, because this is March 2019 at the time of making of this video. Okay. So now we're going to do unboxing of the pressure cooker box, and we'll see what this thing looks like live and in person. Now, one other thing I wanted to mention is it is a prestige brand, which is something that I picked based off of conversations with people. I'm like, there's so many options out there. Which pressure cooker should I get? And they said Prestige, and it's also made in India, which they should know how to make pressure cookers, just off of my assumption. So that's why I bought the Prestige. So we're going to take a look at this now and see. Now this is the unwrapping portion of my unboxing video. So this, compare it if I can. So this is the lid for the Insta one. So it's it's pretty big, which is kind of nice, I think. But it's a little bit bigger. Okay, and then we're gonna disregard the wrapping box And then this is the bottom. You can see it's a little bit more flatter. It's actually much more flatter than the Instapot. But it's very doable, and I think it's actually going to cook very nicely. And this will be good for, you know, making rice, heating up beans, spices, things like that. Okay, so here's the little topper as well. And then just like any normal pressure cooker, it would just hopefully snap on like so. Maybe I have to take this off before I snap it on. We'll see. And there you go. It's all set and ready to heat up some food. A pretend world that I was actually cooking with this. So it's pretty nice looking, pretty sturdy handle. You can kind of see how it's nicely put together. The handle's screwed on pretty tight, but if it ever were to get a little loose, it could easily be re-tightened by me, which is good. Good to know. It looks nice and shiny. It looks very durable. Looks like I could cook with it for years and years and years, which is what I was planning to do. This was maybe $45, $50 from the Walmart's site. It was free shipping because I picked it up in person, or I saved something on shipping because I picked it up on person. That was pretty good. This other Instapot was probably $70, $100, somewhere in that range. And I've only used it 1 or 3 times through no fault of the Instapot, but probably more of a fault if I'm just lazy. And I don't like plugging in, I don't like buttons, I don't like researching a lot of different button options. And pressure cookers are great because you just put in your ingredients and heat it and pretty much be done with it. And you just wait. So that's an easier one. And it, you know, you cook it on the stove so it doesn't take up counter space. And the nice thing, where I live, I don't have a lot of counter space. So here you could get, you know, 2 or even 3 pressure cookers, have them all going on the stove, and you still have plenty of counter space to chop up whatever you want to chop up, or use it however you want. So I'm glad I bought my Prestige pressure cooker. And thank you for watching this video. I'm sure I will be making more videos, and hopefully they'll just keep getting better and better. So thank you again, and stay tuned for unboxing video number 4, to be determined. Thanks for watching.